have another caller coming from Madras, Pananjunelu. Hello.
Yeah.
So may I know your issues, please?
My name is CAN Anjanelu. I had my colleges at Tirupati. I had once.
Okay.
Now I am freelancer. I'm just now I'm authored for the books Chemistry Simplified series for NEET and JEE mains.
That's awesome to know.
Yeah,
so what is your
chemistry
problems with this online education, sir?
Yeah, that's what. See, we can group the students, I mean class size.
Correct.
See, right from third class, fourth class, fifth class, the students are not at all paying attention, actually.
Okay.
So, third, fifth, they are enjoying, of course. Of course, not academic, but the other way, they are saying, hi teacher, good morning miss, good morning ma'am, and then your saree is good, your this thing. So like that, they are enjoying, no doubt. At least they are enjoying. Then, 8th, 9th, 10th students, only 5% to 10% they are listening to the teacher. So not the remaining.
Okay.
And coming to this NEET entrance exam, so I think it's only up to school. Let me share my ideas about.
No, it's all about education institutions.
Total education. Okay.
Yes.
Then this 11th and 12th, I mean, especially our corporate system, what we have now, they are doing simply business. So out of 500 students, only 50 or 60 they are listening to the class. Because of maybe their parents are putting some good amount of attention, maybe their parents are good academicians, maybe their parents are well versed in science subject, mathematics subjects. So these are the reasons. Only for that 10 or 20% people they are paying attention, not the other people. Okay? So what I am suggesting for, I mean, government institutes like Telangana, what exactly they are going for. So let us have, I mean, so local area concept. Suppose in local area, one small colony or small apartments. Suppose 100 apartments are there, or 100, say a cluster of 100 houses are there. So there what we have to do is collect that students, just the timings. So maybe we'll be having small schools like that. If you group it and then if you put one in charge, so that they will listen at least. Otherwise, it's of no use. So that's not my point actually.
Will that be possible in this norms of social distancing?
What now?
Will that be possible in the norms of social distancing, as the students have to maintain social distancing, where students won't be listening?
That's what. Take one. See, suppose we have one class. See, in an area, suppose we have small, school, LKG school, UKG schools like that. We have so many schools. I mean, spreaded anything like. So definitely a small colony, they are having LKG, UKG school systems. So there you just gather 10 students per class. 10 students per class. So let them maintain the distance. Let them have one in charge, so that we can serve to the unemployed. I mean, we can ask the people who are actually from these corporate colleges. All the staff, they are removed. Actually, they are on the roads. Okay, even from school teachers, they are on the roads. I mean, I'm talking about private school teachers. It is definitely a moral boosting for them, and definitely they will be involving in the work.
I really appreciate your thoughts on the development of education system, and the lines and the suggestions which you are giving out might bring out a different change as well. So
yeah, that's what. Yes. Because in nearby future, I don't think so. People, I mean, gathering hundreds of students in the classroom, 90 students, 80 students. It is not at all. If there, another 2-3 years. Is Corona, definitely it continues. It will be involved in our life process, our lifestyles. It continues only. So, for keeping this thing in mind, better we can have a small cluster, a small group of 10 students like that, one in charge. 10 students, one in charge.
Okay.
So, that is my suggestion.
That's great, that's great. So, may I know how your students are doing?
What is that, ma'am?
May I know how your students are doing in online classes? So if they are able to concentrate on you while you're teaching and all?
Yeah, I am teaching. Actually, I am teaching for almost, students from, I'm at Tirupati now. Tirupati. From Tirupati, I am taking classes to people in Hyderabad, Mysore, Bangalore, Kadapa, AP local areas. Every day I am taking classes now, this NEET. But the thing is, teacher effort also. He must he must, focus that he is actually entering his classroom teaching. He has to put efforts like that.
Correct.
Not simply writing on the board like that.
True.
No, nobody there, nobody, not like that. He has to in his brain, he must inculcate, he must store. I'm in the real classroom. Students are responding now. Oh, cricket games are going. They are making sounds, big sounds. This.
Correct.
That is not. So
Correct.
like that. So you have to create that atmosphere to the teacher, and teacher has to go inside, not just simply on the board, inside the students.
So according to you, what kind of measures teacher should follow while presenting the online class?
Yeah, that's what I'm telling. Teacher he has to see. Teachers normally, while going for this online teaching, they won't see that much interest, because as a teacher myself, classroom teaching is entirely different. But once coming to online teaching, so we feel getting bored, something like that. But we have to overcome that situation. We must really feel we are in the classroom. Then we can deliver the goods. Otherwise, it's of no use.
That's right, all time, that's right.
He has to feel, the teacher has to feel. Teacher has to pose the question, whether you are listening. See, I'm 1 hour teaching, I'm saying whether you are getting. My wife is saying, what is this? You are getting, I'm getting, my wife is telling.
Correct.
So, like that, we have to involve the students.
True. So how parents can support these students, like as the students are confined to homes, they couldn't even have a social interaction at all. So in these times, how parents can help them in getting a concentration on education?
Yeah. Parents actually, they are doing a lot, because now Corona, it is making a concept of family. Actually, I'm chemistry lecturer. And I did my sociology research also.
Great.
Research in sociology.
That's great.
So I did my research in chemistry. I am doctorate from IIT Madras, and at the same time sociology.
That's awesome.
So now that gap is actually between parents and their children. It is lessening. They are in the houses itself. That too, this lockdown timings, their business schedule also, as it is, times are required for them for their business, it is less. They are sitting in homes and then they are enjoying with their children. They are making. Okay? That's why even now the rate of accidents also gone down. Anything like. And the students of age 9, 18, 17, 16 going on the roads also less. Everything is, we have to take in a positive aspect. So parents are putting sincere efforts. They are very much interested in their academic career of their children. So they are supporting.
Yeah. Well, on the other end, the government has issued a guidelines that for the student flexibility, teachers need to get prepared for the online e-content lesson plans, and they have they requested teachers to attend the schools regularly from August 27. So August 27 to September 1 is a very short span. So will that time be sufficient for the teachers to prepare e-lesson plan for the students, and what teachers should plan majorly while planning their e-content?
Yes. Teacher must actually, as they have short span of time, first thing, they have to exchange their ideas among themselves. So I'm doing. So one teacher may be getting one idea, one teacher like that. While preparing that action plan, etc., they must have small group meetings. Virtual meetings. So this is the thing. That's what I said in the beginning itself. Teacher has very key role in this. Online teaching. He has to show good amount of interest. Then whether it is a shortage of time or whatever the thing, we can achieve our targets. He has to. He should not think about other businesses. Correct. He must be pure academician at this junction. So actually, one WhatsApp I saw in the morning.
Okay.
So one teacher is sleeping in the classroom, one teacher like that. Of course, there may be some fake news, etc. But to some extent, we have to believe.
True.
So teachers, they are getting very good amounts. Government teachers, they are paid 70,000, 80,000.
True.
Okay? Whereas private school teachers, 6,000. 36,000 for the last 5 months, they are not getting a single pie. At least 70-80% of the schools, they are almost on the roads. So now government has to initiate these private school teachers also, because they are not getting any salaries. So they have to take, government also, they have to see who is the teacher, correct teacher, and who delivers the subject nicely, and teacher resource orientation, resource program, how to teach online teaching. That's what I saw on the board actually now, CVR News. I mean, some unleashed some strategies he is giving.
Yeah.
Good. So like that we have to go.
Well, on the same line here, when we talk about this all of a sudden digital era, which is introduced into the life of a student
Yes.
because of this COVID, so how we can actually take this, if we can take this as a development, or if we have to think about the remoted area students who are missing those classes as a bad luck. So how we can
No.
actually take on this?
See, yeah. Now almost world is a small global village. Interconnection, all these developments, internet, maybe very remote areas we don't have, but almost all the villages, they are connected nicely now. Geo connections, all the things they are doing. So I don't think so that net problem. Maybe net may be slow. They have to increase that speed, all the things. Otherwise, that's what I'm saying. Government has to take part. A small village means let the students gather in a small place, maintaining social distance.
Correct.
Anganwadi school, the teachers will be, they'll be also getting work. Not simply coming to, chit-chatting, because see, if no work is means, definitely they will do anybody. Okay? So you are asking teachers to come out to the campus, then assign some job. Collect a group, so small group nearby, in the environment, near environment. Okay? So here. That statistics is important.
Well, that's
Okay.
great. So the education system and the strategies, especially regard to the syllabus and the content, is also observe the little changes. So how it will be more flexible for the students, and what kind of education system need to be adopted at this kind of crisis situation? And
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, I got it. See, syllabus must be reduced, and as Government of India, with its great vision, making, selectives, not they say every student not reading maths, physical science, social, English, not like that. So from 9th class onwards now, of course, system is getting changed.
Yeah.
So he can go for this. So keeping that thing in mind as a perspective, we have to plan
True.
how exactly they are going for right from 9th class. So the burden will be reduced. They'll be enjoying the academic these things. They'll be going to be in a very good academic environment. So not total saying. So see, some people they are always right from 9th class. Parents are thinking, my son is going to be a doctor, my son is going to be engineer. So for them, let us reduce that social syllabus. Like that,
True.
they are planning now.
True.
So keeping that one, we have to go ahead.
Yeah, and also there is a larger gap between like March to this month, August. So there is a bigger gap from education and the schooling thing. So can we get back students to the actually normal state where they can understand things easily, or do we have to push on so much of subject by repeating the lectures and everything? So how we can ensure students get knowledge
Yeah.
through online classes?
Yeah, now we have to change the thing. The attitude must be education with enlightenment and entertainment.
That's good.
Education, enlightenment with entertainment. Let us have a small programs. Maybe 1 or 2 cinema songs like that they have to do to attract the attention.
Okay.
Some interest we have to create, whatever the cultural aspects, like that. Not total 3 hours, taking 3 hours, and then teaching. They'll be getting definitely, even in the classroom, they are not paying attention. So
Correct.
how come they pay? So for that again, some masala
That's
to
great.
attract the attention of the students.
That's true. So overall, if you want to convey anything to our viewers who are watching today.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. So teacher must be involved, not 100%, 200% first.
Hmm.
And technology must be supportive.
Correct.
Okay, it should not.
Yeah.
Because student wants, is internet, all the things. So government has to take care. And definitely, possibly a small set, a group of 10 students, 15 students as a group in a small schools, or maybe in a smaller, suppose 90 apartments are there, one apartment making that apartment people to realize the situation, some voluntary organizations like that. And all these private school teachers giving one hand to them, lifting hand, because they are almost on the roads. Okay?
Yeah.
And avoiding this corporate system.
True.
So avoiding this, must ban this corporate teaching. Let the government has got the chance to prove what are the government. See, government organizations, we have very good teachers with very good qualifications, with very good amount of experience. So let them project. It is a corona given opportunity to these people.
True.
Ban this corporate system. Now corporate people, they are just putting on this Mahesh Sinhawala, the great actors, coming and then saying Baizu app. See,
Exactly.
you inquire in the villages, they are paying Baizu, some innocent people who are very much interested in their career of their children, academic career, they are paying 50,000, 60,000. And within 10 days, 15 days, they are not at all seeing. See the real fact.
Correct.
First, ban the system, ban this corporate system for at least online teaching.
Well, we understand your concern, sir, and I hope people who are watching will also get your point and realize the things and choose a right path. Thank you for joining us today, sir.
Fine, thank you for listening patiently. Okay, fine.
Pleasure doing
Thank
so.
you.
Thank you. Well, the Director of School Education has been instructed to follow the alternative calendar prepared by the State Council of Education Research and Training and issued detailed operation guidelines to the schools, institutions, teachers as well as to the students, and urged everyone to follow the coronavirus norms today.